In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video on a HubSpot landing page or blog. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to enhance their content or marketing strategy using HubSpot's powerful tools. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to head over to the HubSpot homepage, open your preferred web browser and go to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, you'll notice the login button situated at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on login will take you to the HubSpot home. This is where all the magic happens, as it's the control center of your HubSpot account. Once you've logged into your account, your next step will be to navigate to the Content tab. This is easily located in the main navigation menu at the top of your HubSpot homepage. Just give that a click. Now that you're in the Content section, you'll want to look for the landing pages. Select that option, as we're focusing on how to embed the video into a landing page specifically. After you're in the landing pages section, it's time to choose the page where you want to add the video. Browse through your list of pages until you find the one you want. When you've identified the right page, just click on it to open it. Once your page is open, you'll see an Add button. Click on this button, as it allows you to bring new elements into your landing page. With the dialog box opened by the Add button, you'll need to type in the word video into the search bar. This search narrows down your options and helps you locate the video module quicker. Once the video module appears in your search results, go ahead and click on it. This will install the video module onto your selected landing page. The next step is to focus on embedding your video. After clicking on the video module, one of the options you'll have is to embed URL. Clicking on embed URL lets you insert the link of the video you want to showcase on your page. Make sure you have the video URL handy, copy it and paste it into the provided field. This will directly pull in the video from your external source like YouTube, Vimeo or another host your video resides on. And there you have it, your video is now embedded on your landing page or blog on HubSpot. With the video successfully placed, don't forget to save your changes and review the page to ensure everything looks perfect. Embedding videos not only makes your page more engaging, but can significantly improve visitor retention and conversion rates. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your HubSpot pages. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips.